What's the name of the book?
Peter that groovy bake sale.
Groovy Bake Sale?
Yeah.
No.
And finally, I found a book.
Read the book, Jay.
Okay. Peter that groovy
Bake Sale.
Pete the cat is silent
About. Keep reading.
Is
His school bake sale.
Pete
You know what that word is? Wants
to bake
Sophia, leave him alone.
a treat. What
Should
Pete make?
bake.
Pete
Loves
love trees.
sweets.
Pete
Loves
love
cookies.
Pete loves cookies.
Pies.
Pete loves
Brownies. Cakes. Marshmallow. Treats. And ice cream sundaes. Sundays. All right.
I make cookies, says Pete.
Well, this is
I
make I'll make cookies.
I make cookies. Pete
Thinks.
Pete
Takes.
Takes
out. What are these?
Eggs,
Flour.
milk,
Sugar. Chocolate. Chips.
I make cookies, says Pete. Ooh, that's a big mess. He
Puts everything in a bowl.
Pete
He stirred.
and
Stirred. Pete. Okay, and
Pete
say it.
made a big mess.
Where's the big mess at? Okay, go ahead.
He
Rolls
the
dough
into the oven.
into a balls.
Into a bowl.
And two balls.
Mom
And
Mom helps him
no, that's put. Be quiet, Sophia. Them
into the oven. Stop saying good job. Let's take the page.
Read.
They
Wait
for the
what are these?
cookies to bake. They
Smell so
yummy.
Then things no less yummy. Go ahead. Some
the but
no cookies.
are
Be quiet, Sophia.
all but.
Where's the burnt cookies at? Okay.
But this is the but.
Okay, go to the next page.
That. The two is the but. Ooh, big mess.
Right, keep reading.
Pete
Has
to
Start.
Break.
No. O-V-E. Over.
Over.
What else
Ted
can
he make? He
tries to make
a
ice cream sundaes.
But they
Turn
into
ice cream soup. All right, where's the ice cream soup at? All right, turn to the next page.
Wait.
That's soup, Joshua. See, it turns into like slushy. That's what I said. Read.